Hi everyone and welcome to CasaCaribe. My name is Laura, I'm a fashion designer and natural dyer. And in this channel we talk about everything related with natural colors. In this video I'm going to show you how to dye cellulose fabric using cochineal. And for this, of course, we're going to need some cochineal. So we're going to visit one of the farmers that still produce cochineal in Canary Island. His name is Lorenzo Perez, and his brand is called CANATUREX. They've been producing cochineal here in Canary Island for generations. They have a high quality, and their business promotes sustainability and commercial ethics. They don't only produce cochineal, but they also teach about the importance of this insect for this island. If you want to know more about CANATUREX, I'm going to leave the link for their website on the description down below. I want to give a huge thanks to Lorenzo Perez and to the brand CANATUREX for allowing me to visit the laboratory, and also for giving me a sample of their cochineal. That is the one that we're going to use in this video. First, we're going to start with the weight of the fabric. This will indicate how much cochineal we're going to need. This fabric is 100% cotton and has been already pre-treated and mortared. As always, if you want to learn how to pre-treat a mortared cellulose fabric, I have a workshop on my website that explains the whole process of dyeing cellulose fabric with natural colors. Once we have weighed the fabric, we're going to wet the fabric. This means we're going to let the fabric on regular water for at least 30 minutes. Then we're going to weight the cochineal. For this video, I'm using 10% of the weight of the fabric. If you want more rich and intense colors, you can use a little bit more, like 20, 30, 50, or even 100% of the weight of the fabric in cochineal. Once we have measured off the cochineal, we're going to use a mortar and a pestle. And we're going to pestle the cochineal to obtain If you don't have a mortar or a pestle, you can also use a ceramic bowl and a stone to get the same result. Once all the cochineal is in a fine powder, we're going to put it in a glass container and we're going to put some cold water. You will notice that the color is going to be very strong right away. Normally, I let to rest cochineal for 30 minutes so I can extract all the color that is inside. In the meantime, we're going to take a pot and fill it with water. After 30 minutes, we're going to take our cochineal and we're going to filter it to remove all the pieces of cochineal that are inside the water. Once we have filtered all the color, you can still use this cochineal to extract for a second time. We're going to mix really well and turn on the heat. When the water is warm, we're going to add our fabric. You will notice that the fabric is going to catch the color right away. We're going to leave the fabric inside for 1 hour, always mixing to avoid any stain. We want to mix so all the fabric can take the color evenly. I like to take the fabric outside the pot to control that all the fabric is being dyed. Remember, we're going to mix the whole time. After 1 hour, I'm going to remove the fabric from the pot and I'm going to wash it with regular water from the tap. You will notice that at the beginning, there's going to be a lot of color in the water. Don't worry about it. This is just all the color that didn't attach to the fabric. I like to use this water to water my plants. After you wash off the fabric really well, you can put the fabric to dry. Remember to dry it on a shadow place and not on direct contact with the sun. Once it's all dry, it's ready to go. I'm absolutely amazed with this insect. It's incredible how much color is trapped inside it. That was all for today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!